Today's Thursday, September 10th. This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado left-hand driver's side NRS rubber filler and supporting bracket. This is the variant with the TurnLip, okay, as opposed to the straight trajectory. And this particular unit is going to Jeff Donaldson. And the unit is non-vulcanized, which means it has this seam right here that when it's folded and mounted into place, it forms the original trajectory. The trajectory being the V-shaped top and the tail that goes in between the bumper and the front fender. Okay, and this is the metal bracket that supports the V-shaped trajectory that secures into the underside of the nose filler for the 1967 Eldorado. Okay, Jeff already has the long bracket for the tail that secures the tail into the front corner edge of the front fender. So the tail is mounted with its own bracket, the long leg bracket, into the front edging of the front fender, in between the front fender and the bumper, and the V-shaped bracket supports the V-shaped trajectory of the integral rubber filler for mounting into the underside of the nose filler for 1967. Okay, and this is non-vulcanized, and it achieves its final form, fitment, and shaping when mounted. Okay, and this will be going out to Jeff as soon as I get his return of the straight trajectory nose filler, and then I'll be sending him out this TurnLip variant. Okay, this is George in Florida. Today is Thursday, September 10th. Thank you very kindly.